Hi there, and welcome to this lesson here that is titled Finding Fulfillment. Fulfillment is a really tricky thing because although we might have a lot of success, although we might reach our goals and accomplish a whole lot, we're not guaranteed to be feeling fulfilled and find great fulfillment. And that's really tricky to understand. It's really confusing to understand as well, because all of our life, most of us find that every single time we accomplish something, every single time we reach a certain state where we think we're going to find this fulfillment here, we're constantly let down. When I grew up, I had a lot of difficulties, especially way back in primary school. First of all, I had a really hard time reading and writing. And most people have that, most children have that, but I was proven to be dyslexic. So I had really hard time trying to understand any of the letters and any of the reading material. Beside that, I had a really hard time concentrating. I couldn't keep my focus on something for more than a few seconds, and then my attention would just drift off. And lastly, I had great speaking difficulties. I was stuttering when I was in conversations and trying to explain myself. And I remember sitting there in primary school thinking to myself, wow, if only I could be as great as everybody else. If only I could write and read very well. If only I could talk fluently, basically, everything would be different. And I would finally feel fulfilled. And although everything changed, although my life changed as well, this notion here that once I have success, once I have everything I need, then I can finally be fulfilled. This notion here, it kept chasing me through my life. First, I came out of my condition. I finally found a solution and found the reason why I was stuttering, why I was having poor concentration, and why I couldn't read or write either. I found the solution to that. But as I came into this space here and my life became a lot easier, I still didn't feel fulfilled. So I went on to do teachings. I went on to teach, and I thought to myself, once I reach this goal here, once I'm able to teach other people, then obviously I'm finally going to feel fulfilled. And it was a very great approach, it was a very great journey, but reaching the goal, getting to the place of teaching, it still didn't give me the sensation of being fulfilled. So I kept wondering, what's going on here? I need to prove to myself that I finally made this journey here. Once I do that, I'm definitely going to feel this fulfillment here. So I began writing a book, and in the process I absolutely loved it. But I also thought to myself, once I'm done with this book here, I'm finally going to feel this great sensation of fulfillment. And as you might have guessed, once I finished the book, it was a really enjoyable experience. I loved sharing this material and the book with so many people, but the sensation of fulfillment was still not there. And finally, I thought to myself, what is the greatest thing I could possibly do that is without a doubt going to give me this sensation of fulfillment? It must be doing public speaking, because once I'm up there on the stage and I'm talking in front of a lot of people, I will finally have proven to myself that I've moved so much since my early years, and now I'm finally going to feel fulfilled. So I get up there, I do the thing, and I'm really expecting that once I get down there from the stage, I'm going to feel fulfilled. And I get down from the stage, and nothing has changed. I still feel the same. I still feel like a certain sensation of lack inside of me. So after this experience here, I began thinking, what is fulfillment? What is it exactly? I was expecting all these things here for my life, but nothing has seemed to change really. I still feel this sensation of inner lack inside of me, like the sensation I had way back in primary school. What's going on here? How can I create fulfillment for myself? And I began thinking about the small moments that I had previously experienced this sensation here of fulfillment. And what I found out was that the fulfillment was not necessarily in the achievements. It was not upon the achievements, but it was actually in the process of getting them. In the process of getting to the places where I wanted to go, in the process where I completely focused in on the certain thing I was doing, where I was merged and completely submerged into the experience itself, that was where I felt truly fulfilled. It was actually in the process, it was in, you could say, the journey towards what I was thinking was going to create fulfillment. That was where I felt truly fulfilled. And I think this misperception is very, very normal for us human beings. We hurry to get to the place where we want to go, and in that hurrying, we skip the whole process that's actually going to create fulfillment for us. Because the truth is that as human beings, we like to achieve things, we like the successes. But even on a brain perspective, even on a natural perspective, we actually thrive the most in the very process. So the next time that you are hurrying to get to a place of fulfillment, remind yourself that the greatest fulfillment you're ever going to find is in this very process. I know that there's so many people saying it's not about the destination, it's about the journey and all that, and maybe you've heard that so many times, but I guarantee you that is truly the case, not only from a personal experience perspective, but even from a science and a neurological perspective. So next time you're in a hurry to get to somewhere you want to go, take your time and remind yourself that this is truly the greatest place you can be. This very moment here and these circumstances is truly the greatest thing you're going to experience. Now, although we might know that the journey towards where we want to go, that the process to getting to where we want to go is where we find true fulfillment, actually experiencing fulfillment and finding it can be really, really challenging. And that's why I'm going to give away 10 free consultations for people who would like to find this sensation of true fulfillment and really connect with this sensation here. If you want to dig deeper into your own sensation and feel deep fulfillment, feel free to reach out to me, and the two of us will sit down in a personal session and talk about your situation and how you can introduce more fulfillment to your life. Doing it is really, really simple, but the right knowledge and guidance can prove to be a really, really crucial key to finding true fulfillment. So feel free to reach out, and otherwise, may you have the greatest day possible. There's fulfillment all around you, and by simply reminding yourself to take it easy, you're going to settle more into this great sensation here. Take great care, enjoy everything, and wishing you the absolute best day. Bye.